In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome offline. This is perfect for flights, commutes, or anytime you know you'll be without a reliable connection, but still want to read an article or reference a page. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure it's the browser you'll use later when you're offline, since that's where your saved page will open. Next, go to the exact website or specific page you want to access offline. Let the page load fully so Chrome can capture everything it needs: images, styles, and text. If the page has expandable sections or tabs you need, open those now so they're visible before you save. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From the list that appears, choose Cast, Save, and Share, then click Save Page As. This opens a standard save dialog. Pick the folder where you want the page to live. Downloads is fine, but you can choose any organized spot you'll remember later. Before you confirm, check the Save as Type or Format option. Webpage, complete is usually the safest choice. It saves one HTML file plus a companion folder that contains images and styles, which helps the page look right when you're offline. HTML only creates a single, smaller file, but may lose images or formatting. Once you've chosen the location and format, click Save. Depending on the size of the page and the number of images, this may take a moment. Now it's time to test. Disconnect from the internet by turning off Wi-Fi or unplugging your network cable. With no connection available, go to the folder where you saved the page. Double-click the HTML file to open it in Chrome. Even without internet, the page should load from your computer. You can scroll, read, and zoom just like you would online. A few things to keep in mind as you browse offline. Links to other pages won't work unless you saved those pages separately. Interactive elements that require live data, like sign-in areas, comments, or streaming video, won't load. If you chose Webpage, complete, keep the HTML file and its companion folder together. If you move the HTML file, but not the folder, parts of the page may appear broken. That's it. Open Chrome, visit the page you want, use the menu to choose Cast, Save, and Share, then Save Page As, pick your location and format, save, disconnect, and open the file. Repeat these steps for any additional pages you want to keep handy offline.